So now let's see how we can work around with cover block inside of wordpress.com. So in order to go ahead and work around with cover block, I'm going to go around over here onto the block section and add in, let's say for example, a cover block by typing and searching it out right here. So once you go ahead and do that, it says drag and drop an image or a video or choose from your library. So I can go ahead and upload out, let's say for example, a picture that I have. So I'm just going to go around onto images right here, and let's say for example select out multiple images that I have right here, just like this. Or let me just go around and select this out, and you can see that I have this particular cover image right here. I can go around over here and type in, let's say for example, welcome right here on top, and then you can go ahead and bold it, italicize it, and so forth, and work around with it however you like. You can go around and work around with the alignment for this cover block as well, and so forth. And you got all of these options for text formatting as well. As you click on the cover block, you can see that I can go around and change it into a full width, or let's say for example, you can align it to the left, align it to the center, or align it to the right as well, just like this. And you can go ahead and then pull this out right here as well. Let me just go around and then let's say for example utilize full width, and over here you can also add in, let's say for example, shadows right here, just like this as well, and so forth, or turn this off. You can also go ahead and add in highlights to it as well, and choose the image style as you want. You can go ahead and choose where you want to add your particular text, and then you can also go around, use full height, and replace out, let's say for example, an image that you want as well. So let's just go around over here and upload out another image that I may have, let's say for example like this one, and then the image simply gets replaced just like that. If I were to go around over here on the right hand side, you can see that I got different options right here for the cover block as well. You can choose, let's say for example, a place where you want to actually show this particular picture. You can choose a resolution right here, just like this as well. Like you can go for medium resolution or full size resolution. You can choose a fixed background right here as well, or use a repeated background as well, just like this as well, according to how you like. So that is what you have, and then you can choose the width right here. You can choose the content width, and over here you can also choose the color of the text right here, just like this, and so forth as well. So you can go around for heading as well, just like this, and so forth. So you got the filter, that's the due tone filter, or you can remove this out as well and work around with the padding. You can of the text as well, and work around with the margin right here. Go for block separation and change around the aspect ratio according to how you want as well. So just like this, you can go for tall, you can go for portrait and original as well, just like this. So you can change around the height right here, minimum height. Let's say for example, I'm going to say 200 pixels. Then you can change around the border, add in a bit of a border to this, and then change around the radius as well, just like this as well, and change around the border color as you want as well. So if I were to go around over here and then let's say for example preview this particular tab, then this is what you have, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the cover block inside of wordpress.com. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.